Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can change the font in an Android application through Android Studio. Now there are two ways. First way is that how you can change the font for particular text fields, and second is that how you can change it for the whole application, by which the action bar as well as every single letter which you type or show inside the application will show that particular font. So without any further ado, let's get started. My name is Samiyan Sawant and welcome to the channel. Alright, now the first thing that we'll have to do is we'll have to bring the font inside the application. Now for that we'll have to create a directory, right? So what we'll do is we'll just right click on resources, we'll go to new and then Android resource directory. Now once this window opens, see this resource type, we'll have to change it to font. Alright, and then hit OK. See, directory is created. Now second thing is that first we'll go to the font. See, I've got this font, right? Now there are rules. First rule is that the font should not have any kind of capital letters. If it has capital letters, then it will give an error. And second is that no special characters like hyphen, slash, anything. Now if you want to separate both of these words, what we'll do is we can use underscore but not any other special character. So what we'll do is first of all we'll rename this. We'll rename it to Proxima underscore Nova underscore extra bold. Done. Now if you'll ask me whether OTF will work or TTF will work extension, no problem, both of them will work. So I'll just take this one. Now we'll have to take this inside the application, right? So one thing is you can drag and drop it directly here, or you can just click show in Explorer, go to font and then minimize this, keep it like this and just drag and drop it here. Alright, and then we'll just close this thing. Now if you check here, see the font is inside the application. I'll just show it like this. Alright, now the font is here. Now we'll have to change it inside the XML file, right? Now there are two things. First thing is that you can change the font for particular text views, like these two we can change. Alright, and second thing is that you can change it for the whole application. Now the difference here is that if you change it for a particular text field, it will apply to that particular text field only, and if you change it for the whole application, then the action bar will also get affected and anything you type inside the application will be shown in that particular font. So first thing which I'll show is I'll change it for particular text fields. So now we'll just select this one. Alright, and here we'll type Android colon font family and then we'll select the font. Done. See the change? Alright, second one also will apply. Same thing, Android colon font family and then the font. Now here you can take any number of fonts which you want inside the application, but just make sure if you are publishing the application or Play Store or something, then make sure you have the license or the rights to use that particular font. Alright, now you can apply n number of fonts for n number of text fields. Use the same method. Alright, now second thing is that we'll apply it to the whole application. Now what we'll do is I'll just first erase these lines. Alright, I'll erase this. Done. They're back to the default. Now what I'll do is we'll go to values and then styles. Now inside styles we'll just have to write one line of code to apply the font to the whole application, which is just open this and then write item. Now the name will be font family, right? And then we'll just close this. Done. And inside this we'll select the particular font. Just write @ and it will show the options which you've got. Select any particular font you want. I have this one, so I'll select this one. Done. Now the font gets applied to the whole application. We'll just check in main and then wait a second. We'll just build the application. Let's see what happens. Sometimes this error occurs that when you apply it, it doesn't get applied right away, but then you can just build the application, and as you can see, the changes have been applied. Alright, so just click on build or run the application and keep your fingers crossed. Done. Now if I run the application, the action bar will also get affected, and if I have any input field like text, password, email field, then if you type anything, it will get typed in that particular font only. So let's run the application on the mobile phone and I'll show you how it looks on the mobile phone. Alright. Okay, so this is our application. Let's click on it. As you can see, the font has been applied to the whole application. See this text view, and also the action bar. Now if you enter any kind of text in the application, like in some password field or email field, then the font inside the text will also be the same. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. So that is how you can bring custom fonts inside your Android application. Now if you don't know how to create this kind of layout, like using the constraint layout, bringing this kind of gradient in the background, using vector icons, all that stuff, the links are given in the description. You can check those videos out, and if you find this video useful, if you find any value in it, do like it and share it with your friends so that they can know about this function, and consider subscribing to the channel as the Android Studio tutorial series is still in progress, so that you can get notified about the next videos whenever I post them. Just hit that bell icon. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. I post tech videos every week and sometimes meme time videos. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.